Alright, so, when we last left Roy, got the Blender file done and everything exported as STLs, ready to go into Chitubox, which I did a number of times, but I didn't record. But to wrap things up, I figured I would do a quick little slideshow here about what happened. So, started with the sketch, made some Inkscape reference, made him in Blender, in parts. He's basically a kit. Had some failures with my early attempts in Chitubox. I ended up having to support the thin neck quite a bit, and the body. Well, I was having trouble getting the hands to work, plus the hollowness, because I wanted these things to be hollow. You can see all those supports inside the head for hollowness, but the body was still being kind of funky. Not printing well. So basically I went back to Blender, made the body not thin wall hollow, but made some hollowness there, and I ended up separating the hands and giving them sockets, printing them separately and making them so that you could just stick them in, and which actually makes it possible for maybe doing like replacement hands, different claws he could have, maybe. Anyway, finally, I got everything separated and supported, hollow, and it all was great. And there's Roy, all printed up. And he still needs some body, and hands actually came out pretty nice. The head, I don't know what was going on with the legs there. Some weird film. The head still needs some sanding. But, minimal post-printing stuff needs to be done, I think. And pretty happy. Gotta glue him together and paint him up, possibly. But that is the journey of Roy finally getting printed, and not too deformed. So stay tuned for more stuff.